I'm here.
I'll show your screen. We are back.
That's mine.
Yes. Show your screen. Share your screen.
Hold on.
Okay.
Hold. I'm on it.
This is GNAIT Online Education, and as you can see, we have 4 people online learning together, and Mr. Amayao is the one. We are looking at his screen to see how far he has gone. We are developing a website using HTML and CSS, and we are now learning HTML. Mr. Amayao, save it.
So, I've saved it.
Okay, now minimize.
So I've saved it.
Okay, minimize the page and open the website for us. Minimize the first button. Yes, thank you. Now you open your web page. Let's see. Click on it.
Okay. So that's it. Home. I hope you can see the home now.
No.
It's,
either your PC is frozen or the internet.
I think he's sharing only one section of the screen. That's why.
Come again.
Okay.
He's sharing only Sublime Text.
He's showing his half of the screen or what?
Like he's sharing only the Sublime Text. So when he open any other part of the PC, it won't appear on the screen. So unless
please,
you share all.
Please, you have to share all, which is the first option.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So go back to share and then the first option.
Yes, I've done that.
Good. You can see it. Okay. So this is
can you see it now?
We can see it now.
Okay.
Can you close some of the tabs so that you can see the name home well? The tabs are many. You can't
I'll
see
do that.
Tab name. No, not that one. Don't close that one. Don't close that one. Others.
He is closing the odd ones. The correct one is home page.
Okay. So you can see it well.
Right. So this one is okay.
Yes, I can see home. Now, we've all arrived at where we are. Now today we are going to speed up a little. Let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Are you all there?
Yeah.
Okay. The first one is the one. The first one we did. I'm recording it. So quickly, this is my Sublime Text. Okay. And this is my web page. This one. So close. This is my home. The name home. So here is empty page. And this one, anything we do in the body tag, here. Today we are going to just deal with the parts of a website. We will talk about heading. We will talk about break. We will talk about maybe bold, how you bold a text on a web page. We will talk about italic. We will talk about maybe underline. These are all needed. We will talk about lists. Not today alone, but the one we can achieve. We will talk about adding image or picture. Image or picture to web page. We'll talk about adding video. Did you get it? These are the things we're doing today. That's today and then evening time. So quickly, let's tackle heading. Heading as a topic. Please, you should all type this one. Type them. We are going to do a little demonstration. You type them. I'm waiting. Type them. Speak, and we will add paragraph. We will add paragraph. Okay. Video, sorry. We'll add paragraph. Is there anything simple? Okay, we can talk about center. We can talk about center. Then we can talk about It will depend. Maybe you'll not get there, but I'll just give you everything. Font size, font color, and font. Do all this. Maybe we may not finish anyway. The ones we can achieve, then we continue the next time. Are you done with the are you done?
We are typing.
We will save this one and look at what will happen. This is my web page. This is the empty page, my web in the body. This is the body. And then we have typed all these things in the body. We will save it and look at what will happen here. We will save it and look at what will happen here. Paragraph, heading, break, bold, italic, underline, center, font size, font color. The color is wrong. Font color. Please, in coding, don't add hue to the color, okay? Here we don't do
okay.
Yeah. When it comes to the color, we don't add hue. Okay. And the center too is TER, not TRE. Okay. Take note of that. Okay. Are you done?
Yeah.
Yes.
Amaya, are you done? Control.
After typing, what else?
Type it in the body. Okay. Press.
Yes, I've done that.
Control plus S. Save it. Control plus S.
Okay.
I hope your web page is minimized. Is it minimized? Now maximize it.
Yes.
Maximize it and click on refresh. Maximize it and click on refresh. Are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Good. So
I can see paragraph, heading, break, bold, italic, underline, center, font size, font color, font type, list, adding image, adding video.
They are all in one line.
That's what I can see on the website now.
Are they all in one line?
Yes.
Yeah.
So it means that anything you do in your text editor, you need to tell the text editor in HTML language that it should do this or that. Since we didn't do anything to it, it appears on the web page in a straight line. So this time we can apply the word break to break it down. Do you get it? So
yes.
So we are going to learn this one first, the break. And in HTML language, we use less than BR as our break. This is our break. So you make sure you bring all of them at the end of the word. As I'm doing, do the same and let's save and see what will happen. Okay, so copy and paste too. Yes, you have to get the same thing as I have done. Now you apply Control plus S. Control plus S. Gilbert, please, is the drop down menu ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so
I think we should hold on.
After this,
we should hold on.
After this, we invite you to show us.
Okay.
Okay. So,
but before that, I think we should finish with this one.
Okay. Okay. So look at my work. You come back to the web page, then you click on refresh. Look at it. I applied break, and this is what it will happen. Do you get it? Let's see whether you've gotten yours. Here is it. BR. Are you there? Have you gotten the same thing?
Yeah.
Okay, now show your screen. Mr. Peter, you are done. Show your screen. Let's see your work.
Okay, let me do it. Right, let me do that. Just a second. So that's mine.
Okay, let's see, Mr. Amayao. So close your screen.
So that's mine.
That's Ameya's own.
Oh, wow, wow, wow.
That's mine.
Wow, that's good. That's good. So let's see, Mr. Peter. Let's see your screen.
Ameya, can you please?
Stop your
I have to stop my first.
Yes, stop yours first.
That's it.
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay.
For me, since I am the admin, if you don't stop your screen, I can stop your screen for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, for me, I can stop your screen for you. I can remove you. All right. So this is how our screen was like. So let's continue. So we are done with break. Any question on break?
No.
No. But I have question on break. Maybe somebody will help us too. Me, I don't know. I want to ask question. You see, we have open title and close title. But why don't you have close break and open break? Only open break. Gilbert, can you help us?
With break, it contains it's a self-closing element, so it doesn't have any closing tag. You can choose to bring a /br, then close it, or only br. It will still work.
Okay, so it's a self-closing element. So the answer is that break is a self-closing element. So it has only a selector. That is the BR, self-closing element. Okay, please, this one is selector, okay? This is not a selector, but this one is a selector. So you can stand here and do some your CSS there. So we call it a selector. And he said this one is self-closing element. BR is self-closing element. That's the reason why it has only open break. We don't say open break, but I'm just using it for you to understand. It's a self-closing element. As we move on, maybe we can get another self-closing element. Maybe as we move on, we get another one. So we are done with break. But the reason why we didn't get open and close break is that break is a self-closing element. So you need only the open break. All right, now let's move on. Let's try paragraph. Let's try paragraph. We want to create paragraph. So we'll bring all our information here. Give a space at the top there. We will bring our information here. Oh, sorry. Tab key. We will bring our information here. You can save it. Now, you should all open MS Word. You should all open, you are going to look for information and come and paste it, and then we'll work on it. You should all open MS Word. This is my MS Word. This is my MS Word. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you type equal sign, RAND. Then you bring your open bracket and close bracket. Can you see it well? Can you see it? Have you finished typing it in MS Word?
Yeah.
Mr. Amayo, have you finished?
Yes.
So press enter. This is what you are going to get. You will get so many information.
Wow.
You will get so many information.
Wow.
Have you gotten the information?
Yes.
Yes.
Apply Control plus A to select all. And then you click on copy. And then you click on copy. Are you there? You click on copy. Then you go to your text editor. You are going to paste the information here. You are going to paste it 3 times. You are going to paste the information here. So Control plus V, Control plus V, Control plus V. I've pasted it 3 times. 3 times. You also have to paste it 3 times. So that is then Control plus S. Save it. Control plus S. Save it. Save it. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, now let's move. We are going to learn how to create paragraph. Paragraph is not self-closing element. Therefore, you have open paragraph and close paragraph. Open P and close P. Okay?
Yeah.
Then we end it here. Then we end it here. Please. This is the closing, close P tag, close paragraph tag, open paragraph tag, close, open paragraph tag, close paragraph tag. At the beginning of the next line, the same thing. At the beginning of the next line, the same thing. That is open paragraph tag, and then the device, another device is the last sentence, so you use the same thing. Close paragraph. Then the beginning again, you bring open paragraph tag, and at the end, where the device is, the word device is, you bring your close paragraph tag. Are you done? You save your work. Oh, please. We didn't do something. Do you know something? Let's take away the close open tag. We didn't look at it on the web page. We didn't look at it. So you take.
I look at mine though. I look at mine.
Amaya, did you look at yours?
Yes, they were all together. It was a whole one paragraph.
Then let's move on. Then add. Okay, now let's save it this time. Clap for yourself. You've done well. I didn't. You've done well. Clap for yourselves. So let's refresh. So you can see this paragraph. This is a paragraph, okay? And this is also a paragraph. And the things we have are down there are also there. So we are good to go. It's perfect. We've gotten our 3 paragraphs. So we've learned paragraph, we've learned break. We are going to learn heading. Can we move on?
Yeah.
Good. Let's go to the code. I want the heading to be here. I want the heading to be here. The heading, I'm using the heading to be the company name. The company name for the website. So to come to the top, the heading. Now, I am typing something like Ghana. Type your own thing, don't type mine. You are developing your own website. Take note of that. At the end of the day, we want you to get a website. Okay, that's it. And we always have something like the GNAIT here. We always have unit at the end. Okay, let's save it. Let's save it and see what will happen. Save. Have you seen the name? Are you up to this level? I'm waiting for you.
Yeah.
You've gotten it. Let's go to the code again. We are using this one. Let's copy and paste 6 times. Copy, you stand here, you press enter, you paste. You paste. You paste. You paste 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. You paste. You can save it and go to the web page and see what will happen. This is what we got to in the morning. Since we didn't bring break, that's why they are in straight line. You get it? But
Yeah.
we are just demonstrating what do you call heading. So we will not break it. Let's go to the code. Have you gotten it?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. We are just going to apply the heading. So heading is like this. H1. Heading start from H1. I always want small letters. Okay. So we will end it here and then we will save it. And I will save it. Let's save it and see what will happen. Let me refresh it. Oh, it affected everything. Let's come to the code. Let's come back to the code. The font size, the heading determines the size of the text. So it affected everything. But let's move on with the next one. I didn't close here. I didn't close it. Do you get it? Let's
Yeah.
today you didn't see that one.
Oh, I did that one.
You did. Okay. Let's save and refresh. So the first one has taken the H1. Mr. Ameya, can we move on? Have you gotten it?
Yes, we can.
Good.
Yes.
All right, so you apply.
I have.
Okay. Let's bring H2 here. H2. Let's save it. Let's save it. H2. And refresh. I've written it. That's a heading. Give you different font sizes for your heading. Different font sizes for your heading. Let's apply number 3 here. Number 3. Number 3. Let's save it and look at how it will appear. Okay, that's the third one. Let's do the fourth one. Okay. Are you following?
Yeah.
When you are done, you tell us and then we'll see your screen. It's up to 6. It's up to 6. So let's save it and check. So this is how it will appear. So this is how it will appear. Now that we all know the links, the heading, sorry, we go to the code and delete the rest, and we'll use only the first one for our project. We save it, and then we are good to go. But before that, let me see your work. Mr. Peter, let's see your work first, not this one, all the 6 headings. Let's see yours.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's save it.
I think I may have started sharing, so unless it's done.
Okay, Amaya, let's see. Okay, Amaya, let's see your screen. I've stopped mine. Let's see your screen.
Okay.
I've stopped mine.
All right. On it. That's mine.
It's here to load. All right.
Perfect. Okay, let's see that of Amaya, your paragraph. You didn't apply paragraph for the second one. We have 2.
So I was trying to find where I will see the video, but I couldn't find it. That's why I didn't want you to go on the video. That's why I skipped that part.
Let's see your code.
So I can go.
Bring your code. Show your code.
Please stop.
Show your code.
Okay, hold on.
Okay. Bring it to them. Good. So you go inside. Go inside. Let's show you where you do it. The third.
Okay, so I can see here.
No. Go down. Reading is. Go down again. Go down. I want to see all.
Down.
I want to see all.
That's it. Where you are now, just that line at the top, you end the second paragraph.
Reading is easier.
Amayao.
Yes.
Your line 26.
Good.
Okay.
Go on top of line 26 where we have another device.
Let's say 25.
The last.
25.
Okay.
End of 25. Then end it there. That's all. No, you don't need to type. Normally, subline will always want to end for you when you begin. So just save it. Yeah, then you begin a new one there.
Begin.
Come to the last point, delete the closing tag, the other side. They love it, yeah, good. So you can save and then
share.
Yeah, save and then open your browser for us to see.
Let's see your webpage. Save it.
Save it and open your browser.
So now this is
right click. Just right click and say save and right click and let's see.
That's it. Can you see?
Scroll down.
Save it. Refresh.
You save the code. Yeah, it's showing.
Yeah, it is saved and it has refreshed. Yes.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay, close. Stop your sharing. Stop sharing. So, Mr. Let's see yours.
It's mine.
Good. Perfect. Now, close yours. Now, let me share my screen. Now, I want us to do something. I want to test you. Test time. Okay, let's remove everything remaining the H1, okay?
Okay.
Running out of time. Oh, in fact, today we worked for more than 40 minutes now. Another 40 minutes gone. Okay, let's save this one and refresh. Okay, I want this one to come down. GNAIT, come down.
Which one?
GNAIT, this one. I want it to
You
come
want it
down.
to come down.
Come again?
Okay.
How will I do it?
You put a break in front of teachers.
Good. So let's you can do yours abbreviation and then let's try. Okay, now I will save it and refresh. Okay, perfect. I want us to center it. We are now going to learn center. We are going to learn, can I see center? This one, center. We've learned paragraph, we've learned heading, we've learned break. We are going to learn center. We are going to learn center. And then when we are done, we will learn underline, bold, and italic. Then we'll close for today. Then we'll meet in the evening. That's all. All right, quickly, about 5 minutes left. So we are going to learn center. Bring your center here. Open center. Open center. And then close center. I can choose to do it like this. I can choose to do it like this. Center at the top, center at the down. It's the same thing, okay? I've saved, and let me go and refresh it. I've written it. It's now centered.
Yeah.
But I would like my logo to be on top of the heading. I would like my logo. I mean, I do have a logo. I do have a logo.
No.
You can use a picture.
No.
You can use any picture. We will modify it. Okay, we will resize it. Okay, let's go to the code. Have you all gotten to this level?
Yes.
Now you go to the code. We want the picture to the beginning. We want the picture to be the first. So we'll bring the picture on top. Picture code is, this is a picture code. This is a code for picture. This is a code for a picture. So this is where you put a picture name. This is where you put the picture name. This is where you put the picture name. Are you there? So for my picture, I'll use logo 1. And then my extension, the file extension is JPG. I will save it. And we will refresh. This is my logo. Are you up to this stage? I know Mr. Peter, his logo is perfect logo. It will not increase in size. But I may put any picture there and then we will resize it. We will resize it.
I want to find the image coding. I didn't get it well.
Please, this is my folder for the pictures. Any picture here has a name. So I will go into your choose any of the names. Rename it simple. This is my here is 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Name. And this is the logo I use.
Okay.
Logo 1. Have you seen it?
Okay.
And this is the this is the JPG. So go to your code, type this one, and bring the picture name here, and add JPG. If it's JPG, fine. Yours may be PNG, depending on the format. So we are waiting for Amayao. Mr. Peter, I hope you've gotten yours like that.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get a picture.
Okay, Amayao, share your screen and let's help you. Share. Let me close mine. Share your screen and let's help you.
Okay, I'm coming.
Share your screen, Amaya.
On it, I'm coming.
We are left with 4 minutes. Today we done 40-40, which is 1 hour, 50 minutes or so. 1 hour, 20 minutes online. We've done well. Share your screen, let's help you.
Am I logged out?
Is that?
No, you
Can
are
you
on
hear
it.
me?
No.
Yeah, we can hear you, Amel.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay, where is your folder? Let's see your folder.
There's it.
You don't have any picture at all. Look for picture and put in.
So I've gotten one now.
Okay, let's see.
Is that okay? Do we have named?
Yeah.
Do we have named it? Is it okay?
It's okay.
Yeah. So you have to remember the name in your code.
Okay.
Okay.
So display your code. Sublime text.
Display your code. I mean, I'll click on the code, the Sublime text screen for us to see.
I'm gonna show your Sublime text.
I'm sure his link might be down, so he's not hearing us.
Sure. So 6 o'clock we'll meet. It has left with few seconds to leave. So probably.
Is that it?
Okay, yeah.
Oh, it's gone.
Oh, it's gone.
Okay. 2 minutes left.
But this is what I did.
Okay, let's see yours. For you. It's really nice. The logo, who is it for? Is there any copyright on the logo? It's nice. I want to use
I'm developing a logo for a company.
So
it's just the beginning. I've not completed it yet. I have not
completed it. Master, you have not registered it to. You have not. I have taken it. It's really, really nice. It's
nice.
I've taken it. So I have a video.
The originator will prove.
I'm videoing. I'm recording, so I'll just take it. All right.
You know, the concept is here. The way I'll develop it at the end, it will still be better than what you have taken. So I'm not worried.
Okay. We'll meet in the evening. So let's see. Is it 1 minute left? Another trainer, please take us through what you prepared. Gilbert is our trainer. Yes, please take us through. Share your screen. Let's see what you have for us. Just the overview of what we were doing in the evening.
Okay,
don't see the web page. 1 minute left to.
All right. We wanted to do a drop down.
Okay.
All right, I'm not. Okay, let me see.
Yes, don't see the web page, KK. Less than 1 minute left.
Yeah, but Mr. Jane, you say you sent us something. Is it on the WhatsApp platform or where are we downloading it?
I'll give it to you on the WhatsApp, don't worry. Right after this.
Okay, all right.
I've sent some quite a long time.
Okay, but then maybe some of us.
I will give it on the WhatsApp. We'll give it to you. It's there. A PDF.
Okay.
Gilbert, your screen is not showing, it will go off.